What's up, YouTube? Hello, guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl, Maria Renee. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay. Listen, it is 11/11, guys. November 11th, exactly 7:36-ish. All right. At the end of the day, you saw that title. How to get yourself out of a draining, just exhausted energy, okay? Because I don't know about you guys, but I've been feeling super drained lately, and here's some tips on how I got out of it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, like I said. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm cooking right now. I'm trying to eat. And yeah, that's another thing. Make food, okay? Stop eating out. Cook, okay? So that will help with how you feel, by times 10, for real. So definitely do that. It is completely normal to feel drained sometimes, especially when you put a lot on your plate, when you are dealing with a lot, or, just being around a lot of people, honestly. It can just put a lot on your energy, put a lot on how you feel, or you can just be physically tired. If you're physically tired, take a nap, you know what I mean? If the nap doesn't help, then you may need to try a couple of these steps that I give you in this video, alright? So, my first suggestion would be to limit whoever you spend your time around that makes you feel tired, okay? If you have a conversation with somebody and it doesn't make you feel energized, or you feel like extremely tired afterwards, stop talking to them. Or get some time away from them just to see how much better you feel, okay? Just because a lot of times people will use you as their emotional dumping ground just to and then, all right, see you later. See you next time. And then don't come back until it's time to dump again. At the end of the day, don't surround yourself with people like that, especially if you have a hard time, maintaining your energy or keeping it at the level that you're able to function. Because if it's messing with your day-to-day life, they're not going to pay your bills, baby. So you need to fix it yourself and remove the things that need to be removed, okay? Because you don't owe anybody your energy or your space but you and your kids, okay? If you have kids. If you don't, your pets or whatever, all right? All right. Like I said in the beginning of the video, another tip is also to make sure that you are eating, okay? When I say eating, I'm not saying going and grab out a little sandwich or whatever. Make you some food. I mean, a rice, or, I like rice. A pasta, some type of couple sides to it. You can add a meat. If you don't like meat, you can do a meat substitute. Anything. Rice and chickpeas is really good vegetarian alternative that I really like. But rice and anything. Rice and chicken, fish, all of that. Okay? So just utilize your resources, and honestly just make sure that you are giving yourself the nutrients that you need, because if your body is drained from nutrients and deprived of food, you're gonna be deprived of energy, just off rip, just because you're not supplying your body with the things that it needs to be able to push, okay? So it's kind of pulling from areas that don't need to be pulled from, all right? Tip number 3, all right? And I used to be the type of person to be like, yeah, I don't like water, but listen, it is what you need. Your body is made up of over 80% of water, okay? I don't know the exact, but I know it's over 80, and you need to replenish that, especially if you're sweating, if you're going through your day hot. Just in general, you can't survive 3 days without water. So make sure that you are giving yourself water. I'm not talking about juice. I'm not talking about pop. I'm not talking about sparkling anything. Water, okay? Just plain straight water. Give yourself that, all right? I don't care if you have to get it filtered. Buy yourself a little Brita filter. Get yourself a little water bottle. A cute little thing, travel mug to put it in. Something to make you look at it and be like, oh, let me drink some, okay? Because if you do that, I promise you will feel so much better. You will wake up with more energy. You'll be able to go through your day with more energy. And you actually be able to get more accomplished because you're hydrating yourself. A lot of people be dehydrated as hell and then wondering why they stuck. Or why they, don't feel good, okay? Next tip. It is okay to take days off, okay? If you have a job that requires you to put in time for sick, listen. I'm not saying do it all the time. But if you're having an extremely draining day and you got to get up and go to work, a lot of times, yes, it's a lot of things going on, and if you feel like you can't afford to quit, or not quit, but to take a day off, I understand that, but at the same time, you can't afford to take a day off if you have to take a whole week off because you're sick, because you didn't take care of your body and take that one sick day that you didn't technically need it because you weren't sick. But you needed it because you mentally were sick and you needed to, take a breather. All right? So use them days because them jobs don't be caring about us. All right? They just want their people. They just gonna get somebody to replace you at the end of the day if you get sick or you gotta go. Or you die or something like that, okay? So just make sure you're taking care of you. Because you are what's important. Not the bills is what's important. You're what's important. Because who can't enjoy their life if they're dead? Okay? It doesn't matter how much money you have if you're dead. So, take your time. This is another tip that I feel like is highly important and something that I personally did take for granted myself, is the fact that you need to get some sunlight, okay? I know if you don't go outside, you don't like people, you don't like to go grocery shopping, so you do Instacart, or you don't have friends, you don't like being around a lot of people, and I get that, but so you be in the house a lot. Go to the park, do something. I don't care if it's just getting in your car to go through a Starbucks line and to go right back home, okay? At the end of the day, get some sunlight, because you will feel better if you get some sunlight, okay? Sunlight is very important. We plants, all right? Imagine plants without sunlight. You gonna feel dead. You gonna feel, decayed. So get some sunlight, okay? Because you're gonna feel way better. And don't forget about your water. Listen, this is a tip that is really good for parents, okay? Moms, dads, parents, all right? If the kids, you know what you need to do throughout the day, set their clothes out after their bath. Set their clothes out ahead of time. I don't care if you gotta go in, just when you're in their room, picking stuff up or doing whatever, just grab their clothes, set them to the side, okay? So that you don't have to look for that again. So that after they get out their bath, you got their clothes ready, okay? Also, it's okay to give kids, handheld foods that you don't have to strenuously slave over the kitchen and keep over the stove and cook, okay? But also make sure that when you're cooking, make sure you make enough for the kids. Why are you not making enough for the kids? I see that. I personally make a lot of food. Listen, these are so handy because I use aluminum foil in them, and all I gotta do when I'm done, take the aluminum foil out, ball it up, throw it in the garbage. That's it, okay? No cleanup. I'm cleaning up as I go, and I can make a whole lot of food because I fill that whole thing up, okay? So it lasts. And it's super handy for me because I don't like doing all that work. Ugh, I be tired. And as you can see, I'm pregnant as AF. Okay? So I'm trying to make it easier for myself. Almost over, almost done with it. But for the meantime, I'm not going to stress myself out and put too much work on myself that don't need to be there. Okay? Alright, so next tip. Find something every single day to do for you. Something that you like to do. I don't care if it's drawing a little picture in the morning. I don't care if it's reading a book in the morning. I don't care if it's watching a little video, listening to your favorite music when you wake up or when you're in your shower. I don't care if it's making yourself a little smoothie. Get you a NutriBullet. One of these things right here. Because all you have to do is get the little attachment, flip it over with the fruit in it, blend it up, open it up, drink it. That's it. So easy, so quick. I love it. I literally love it. They don't sponsor me. So if I'm telling you something, I'm for real, okay? I'm being so serious. So definitely check that out, all right? All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's not going to be a super, super long video. I just want to give you a few tips on how to prevent yourself from feeling drained if you're feeling drained. It's okay. We're all in it together. We're just trying to figure this thing out, and we can just make it easier by giving each other tips, all right? So also down in the comments below, don't forget to put your favorite color in. Also, what is your favorite thing to do for yourself, okay? Put that down in the comments down below. And I'm also going to comment down below so that you don't forget the question. What is your favorite thing to do for yourself? All right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to check out AmariaRenee.com because we have new things coming, and the sweatshirts are amazing, okay? I super, super love the backwoods hoodie because it's been getting cold, and I'll take mine everywhere I go. Seriously, I keep it in my car, so definitely check that out. Also add me on Instagram and TikTok at LonelyCap777 is my TikTok, and Instagram is at Amaria_Renee, or also at A.R.elite on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, we're on the road to 1K. Ooh, on the road to 100, but I mean, why say 100? I'm trying to talk too fast. At the end of the day, guys, we are on the road to 1K. We're almost at 500, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, for the people who have watched for this far. And there's a giveaway when we reach 1K. Catch you later.